The things we want to pay attention to online are there are different types of queries. There are different intent behind queries. Google is always testing. So you'll see one thing one day and another thing another day. Google's actually trying to be pretty competitive with other search engines, and they're trying to manage abuse. The other things we want to pay attention to are there are different businesses, right? Like if I'm a news business, I'm having content all the time. If I'm a sports team, I'm updating my numbers all the time. So Google's trying to get the best results for the best industries, right? So there are a lot of ranking factors. And these are just a few, but these are the top ones that come up. So relevance. When I'm searching bottled water, I don't want cows, right? So relevant searches are really important. Now you're going to hear about YMYL. That's your money, your life. That was an algorithm update called Medic. And your money, your life means that if any business related to your money or your life, so like investing or, pills you can take, Google only wants the best, most informed and quality businesses showing up at the top. So they're scrutinized more, right? Quality backlinks and internal links, which you'll learn about in on-page SEO, play a factor. User experience, things like click-through rate, that's CTR, and time on page. As I said, a lot of maybe new terms, but don't worry because we're going to go over them and over them. So you will become really familiar over time. So time on page matters, click-through rate. So when somebody gets your little snippet on the search engine results page and clicks on yours over the other people, that's an indication, right, that you're doing the right thing. So these are the things we start to pay attention to. EAT is another one. So expertise, authority, and trust. These things are really important, especially for local SEO. We want to show our expertise. How do we do that? We write content where we become an authority, right? We get reviews. People trust us. They read our reviews. They know we're good. So there's a lot of different ranking factors, but I think these are the main ones. So use of images should actually be multimedia. So images, video, we know that's becoming more and more important. Multimedia and images and social signals. So when we do SEO, one of the things all of us often forget is we need to share what we're doing and share it over to social media. When you search on Google, oftentimes if you search your own business, you'll see, Facebook show up there and LinkedIn and Twitter. And basically you don't see the content you're posting, but you see that a business has those social media platforms. Wrong word. Okay. And site structure. This is really important because when it's easy for your user to use your website and they know what they're getting when they get there and they find exactly what they're looking for because your site structure is good, you actually create longer time on page, and longer time on page is an indication to Google as a ranking factor. So as you can see, there is a lot of ranking factors. And core web vitals, this is more and more important over time. So this is how fast does the website load on a phone or on a computer. Core web vitals are technical SEO and a bit of a challenge, no word of a lie, but good to start to get to know because some of it can feel overwhelming. We'll get into that later.